going on YouTube? So here is the final reveal of our Tesla Model Y Performance, which is in XPEL Stealth. Basically it just took that Quicksilver color and made it very matte, which is what XPEL Stealth does, and I think it came out amazing. Still does have the little amoebas that happen on the trim. Can't get away from that. Soap and acid in the rain really kill it. But walking around showing you the entire vehicle, as you can see, came out great. So what did we do? As you can see, XPEL Stealth was placed. I mean, first and foremost, that's what the video is about. But we also added the TESLA badging in matte black, as well as the dual motor with the line underneath in matte black as well. That looks great. As you saw in the front, we also added the matte black emblem, which I'll go around and show. You can see right there. Pretty typical people to do that. I've done it to every Tesla I've owned. And that's about it for the outside. As we showed before, we did put the RimCase. I'll link that in the description. Go ahead and buy those. They're really low profile, easy to put on, and do extremely well. Someone actually commented that they don't fit in the back because it's staggered wheels. Not sure where you bought yours from, but mine fit great. So go ahead and check out my description, or my link in the description for those. So let's hop in and see what we did in here. We, first off, put a new wheel in. You can see this wheel is matte carbon fiber. Video linked in the description as well. This comes from Test Studio. Came out amazing. Looks great. Napa black leather. We also put our mag back charger, which my iPhone 15 Pro has a mag back case, so it's very strong hold. This stays well. Awesome to just have your phone up there. I like it. As we can see, we do have the wood trim in here. I was going to go carbon fiber like I stated in my first video, but we didn't do that. The reason why? These are a little different. What happens is the original dashboard was, it went straight down with its clips. These ones actually go in on an angle from this Austin built. So they don't make a replacement. They do make the caps, but I hate the caps. I don't know why. Just knowing it's a cap drives me nuts. And it's gonna make it even more nuts because I'm gonna come down to here, which we have a product from The Hills, which is a cap of porous, or I should say the open pore wood, which looks great. Came out great. It folds over, as you can see. It's got the fold, and it looks OEM. I think it looks absolutely amazing with the wood and the black. And going to the next thing, our full headliner of Alcantara, as well as our dash being full Alcantara, our airbag being full Alcantara, all looks pretty dang good together. So, coming back out here, as you can see, we also have 20% on the windows right here on the sides that match the back factory, and 45 on the windshield, which definitely looks great. Step back.
I'm not sure
Have you see? Siri doesn't understand. Coming back here, as stated in the vid prior to this one for the unveiling, we went ahead and put in our sub down here. Video link below on how to do that. The amp is over here underneath that little sub area over here. Wires run underneath to the hot underneath the back seat. We catch a ground over here. It's plug and play from that speaker. Works great. Arel acoustics with that amp. Lastly, what we did is we came over here and put in our 8.8-inch Android rear screen just for some rear entertainment and some stuff to do or whatnot. Pretty good product. Works out well. And that is it in a nutshell. What do you guys think? Did it come out good? You like it? Hit that sub button, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this Quicksilver in XPEL Stealth. I think it came out amazing. It even looks good on the screen in the new UI that just came out. But hey, that does no justice. Let's see it for real one last time. See you on the next one.